Ano ang sabi? Meron kang 61k. You can buy a phone, you can buy a new smart TV, or you can buy this. Ito po ang Motorstar Cafe Racer 150. Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Boring is not a word to describe this motorbike right here. Hindi po. Tingin ko, this is one of the most stylish first motorcycle you can own without getting broke. Hindi talaga masakit sa bulsa. At kita naman sa looks, panalo ka talaga dito. Kaya on this video, hindi lang natin pag-uusapan yung specs niya. Pag-uusapan natin yung itong 150cc na motor na to is 10 times cooler than other bikes. Una mapapansin nyo sa kanya, yun kasi napansin ko, it looks expensive than its price. Talaga Motorstar, dadali nila yung Cafe Racer formula look here sa handlebar style, sa design at concept ng tank. Ito talaga yung nakaka-grab na attention, yung forma ng kanyang fuel tank, single seat na may hump, ayan yung design na yan, at itong bilog na headlights. Napakasimple, alang crazy design, aesthetics, plastics, no aggressive wings, malinis na linya lang. And I have to say, simple, yet it is a looker. I-park po to sa labas na isang coffee shop, mapapansin at mapapansin to habang nakapark. And for sure, may lalapit sa'yo, tatanungin, pre, bro. And if you think about it, for a brand new bike on this price, wow, di ba? Insane value sa looks department pa lang. Hindi po siya motor na will go 200 kilometers an hour on a highway. Hindi po yun ang point nito eh. It's a Cafe Racer 150. Lifestyle bike siya. It's for your Sunday morning coffee run. Meet up with the boys. Meet up with your friends. Mga 10 to 20 kilometer rides na hindi nyo alam kung saan nyo nalang gustong huminto. Talagang yung ride lang, yung moment na yun ang importante sa inyo. Riding position nyo, you feel connected to the bike. All the way manual. Talaga namang retro ang look. Talagang yung ride mo na you wanna take your time at your own pace. Enjoy mo lang. And then on the fuel consumption side, we're looking at 35 to 40 kilometers maybe per liter. Kaya pwede mo siya talagang i-ride all weekend, hindi ka iiyak sa fuel consumption nito. Talagang itong motor na to, tinuturuan kanyang to enjoy the journey. Talagang hindi pabilisan ang labanan. Now, quick specs sa makikita natin dito. Kita naman, it's 150cc air-cooled engine. Mga 11, 12 horsepower maybe. 5-speed manual transmission, ayan. Front discs, ayan. Rear naman, drum. Kita naman ng kanyang Rayos spoke wheels, ang ganda. Kaya, and tatanungin nyo, top speed maybe around 90 to 100 maybe. Bottom line is, it doesn't matter. At sa size niya, ayan, kita naman na it is a good for a city bike, EDSA to BGC, o gusto mong mag-ride sa kalapit na Marilake. Chill ride. This will be enough. Kasi ang point dito isn't the power. The point is reliability, easy to maintain. Carb po siya, ayan o. Parts are everywhere because ang network na rin po ng Motorstar, nandito na, ang tagal na, at andyan po sila. Alam nyo na, may mapupuntahan kayong dealership nila. At yun nga, let's be honest, no bike is perfect. May pros and cons. Sa positives nito, well, talagang panalo ka talaga sa presyo na meron siya at sa forma at look ng motor na to. Fuel efficient, pang daily din talaga pag inisip nyo. And importante rin sa akin to kasi mas marami na nagbumotor ngayon is beginner friendly, magaan, low seat height, at yung sa mga gusto na manual, easy to learn the clutch system sa ganitong motor. It's a Cafe Racer kaya customizable din siya. Para kang nakatingin sa isang blank na papel or canvas. It's up to you. Change mo yung handlebar, side mirrors, exhaust, kung ano ang iyong trip. On the not so good side naman, well, vibration in a single cylinder kasi. Sa ganitong motor, around 80 plus kilometers, you can feel the vibration of course. Yung upuan po niya hindi ganun kalapad. Medyo mababa yung handlebar, 1 to 2 hours max. Kailangan talaga dyan, magpapahinga ka na. Kaya after riding 2 hours or so, papahinga ka na sa pagra-ride. You need a break. And of course, power. Well, don't expect na kaya mo mag-overtake easily. You just really have to plan your move pag ito ang motor mo. But then again, ito po ay isang lifestyle bike. Kita naman yung ganyang simpleng control knobs, matte ang design. Yan po yung digital display niya sa gitna. Bilog, ang ganda, ang simple lang. Engine shut-off switch dito sa kanan. Simple stuff you need on a lifestyle bike. At dito po sa LGM Moto Corner, dito po sa Floodway, Taytay Rizal, ito po ang kanyang pricing. So para kay Nino yung motor na to. Pwede sa estudyante na first time na magkakaroon ng motor and they wanna look cool as it can be. This is a good option. If you're someone that's really creative, you want something different for yourself, or you can be a working professional and you want that second bike just for coffee runs, fun bike to ride, ito po yan. Kung lahat na lang naka-scooter, gusto mo naman maiba ng konti, well, this is a good option for you. And for its price, it's really a good entry bike to have. Sa pagtatapos, at the end of the day, ito pong motor na to isn't about the fastest or most advanced, most high-tech, hindi po. It's about what a motorcycle is all about. At pinapaalala niya sa'yo na you don't need to spend 6 figures to feel proud about your ride. Hindi mo kailangan tumakbo ng sobrang tulin to feel free, to feel happy while riding. And this one is simple, and it is a looker. Ito po, ang Motorstar Cafe Racer 150. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Ride safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.